Okay, sure.
Mic check. Nonzwakazi 1 2.
Mic check and you
Yeah.
Hey?
The guy who's there must know who is saying something.
So that's how we know which girl is here.
The girl. RadioDR.co.za, deeply rooted world. Welcome back to the Deeply Rooted Show. Hello, Slew.
Hello.
Hello, Nonzwakazi.
Hi.
It's a superstar on fans.
Bro.
When's the
This might be the biggest person we've had on the show.
What?
Well, with me here.
Yeah, she usually disappears for the bigger guests.
Not that I disappear. He only invites a bigger guest when I'm not around.
No. He chooses not to be here. He'll be like that day. Otherwise, how are you?
I was like, yeah.
I'm fine, thanks, guys. Ninjan.
Invite her last year.
Yeah, hey, I had to come after that.
That's what?
That shot.
Yes, that shout out.
Oh, yeah.
That you did.
Yeah.
Y'all called me out.
Yeah.
I was watching the interview.
You're watching the interview with Joe.
Yes. And I was like, okay, that was not necessary.
But it's good you care about your image like that.
And now you're here.
And now I said, below, I watched the interview and I feel bad. So yeah, let's reschedule.
How bet to girls will share, but the shop.
Yeah.
You are famous for singing, man. Predominantly.
Yeah, for singing.
How did that start? Where you from? How did that start?
Skawini, when I was a kid.
In my farm.
My farm.
Oh, then check. It just sounds far.
What's wrong with farms?
Yeah,
There's nothing wrong with farms.
Then why is I work on my farm?
No, it's how you guys perceive about my farm. That's the problem.
I love
It's
me.
how you guys
Me.
perceive.
I love me an FJ. I love me a farm juju.
Yeah.
Well, what's you?
She got problem with farms.
That's you. Okay, has a chance with my farm, so I am definitely not from the farms because people they work a lot and I'm very lazy. I'm very lazy.
So then how do you become famous?
I love working. I don't love working at home.
Oh, the thing that you get paid for.
Yes,
Oh,
I love money. The domestic vibes, not for me.
Oh, Peggy.
Because
We are wise of Peg,
men's gotta
Angie.
eat.
When you say men's, dirt.
If you like it, then
Yeah, men's
I'm
gotta
gay.
eat.
so figure lap so
Okay.
cool. Yeah, ukula kanjani from Skawini.
I'm from Skawini in Kulele Kona. Ukula. I was doing grade 4.
Sure.
Prime.
Sure.
Gotcha.
Do you know that shit?
No.
Oh,
I mean, I didn't go to church.
No.
He
I went.
to
No,
church.
but that's school stuff. It's not church stuff.
Oh,
You went to school
okay.
in Joburg.
Yeah, I didn't go to church.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Nina, church and state was very close.
Angazi.
By the way,
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so I
wakula lezo choir.
primary school.
That is Zulu school nje.
Zulu, yes, Sakasan
Showcase.
Primary School.
Yeah.
I went there. Was doing grade 4. Got an announcement. Anyone who wants to join the choir. I mean, my problem is I remember I was playing netball, but then when they made an announcement to go see anyone wants to join the choir, I was number 1. Went there, and then I just loved it, and the love grew from there.
So that's your first introduction to singing.
Introduction to singing.
There's something new.
Yes.
Let me just try it.
Yeah, because
Crazy.
even Ngingang went at church, but it wasn't like a structured thing. It was just generally singing at church and loving singing at church.
Sunday school,
There wasn't like a choir
Got
that
you.
participated in other activities. It was merely just singing at church. But I enjoyed.
And what grade is this? Sorry.
It's grade 4.
Sure.
Yes.
So young, Joe.
So
You got the
Yeah.
pipes of grade 4.
Yeah, and mina ngasho ngangena esikoleni,
And
yazi.
at home, it was like,
Yes.
okay.
My parents were very
So
supportive.
when we're going I'm a guest. So what's a cool little aunt?
Yes, wazodanta, wazocula, was that girl.
So there was like before
Mangiyakagogo kuthiwa
TV.
wazosina, like
before
nje.
TV, about putting entertainment and
Yeah,
thing.
you'd call me.
So how now ngusibana was culele ingoma.
Yes.
was
And
it.
wawusho kanye.
Star is born.
The Star is Born.
Yes.
So Manje, have you ever always had that confidence when it comes to performing since that young age?
I think so, yes.
Because at home, like, you receive support. So
I
it was
received so much love.
Okay.
And you know, sometimes parents lie to us and say, "Oh my God, my child,
Eh.
you got it." Yeah. I think if they were lying, well, it was good lies.
Gotcha. Thank God,
Yeah.
like, as a parent, you're just like, I don't have to lie.
Yeah, it's
Yeah. Like,
They're
they're actually good. Like, they're actually good.
but some
Yeah,
parents
so
lie to each
that
other.
that comfort for me, yenza uthando lwakhula, and then ngicule emakhwayeni, basically choral music, by the way.
Showcase.
Choral music. And then
African choir, we in those high school choirs.
yes.
The Zulu high school choirs.
Zulu high school choirs.
Yeah.
Where you'll have
Imizwilili.
thank you. Where you'll have a conductor in front of you and yes, you see that one?
Yeah.
Oh, inyoni.
Yebo.
Yayihamba nomfana.
Posture. On fleek.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where I come from. And then
That's my favorite song there. What is it?
high school.
Love that choir song, bro. Yes, there.
Yeah, I know it.
Because you do.
She's got trauma in her face.
Yeah, look at her. She doesn't want to sing that one.
I don't want to
Love
sing that.
Stop taking me back, bro. Can you stop taking me back?
Yeah, so yeah, that's where I come from. Junior secondary, then I played netball.
Oh, yeah. Or be athletes.
Yeah.
Nalapho
Netball. It was very competitive in junior secondary.
Okay.
Choir was also doing well. Netball was also doing well. I experienced a lot of.
Sorry. What's junior secondary? Is that
Angithi mina
primary
ngifunde-
school?
Angithi mina ngifunde ngale khathi le wokufika ku grade 1 to 4.
That's
Primary school.
Primary school.
And then we saw grade 5 is junior secondary, grade 5 to grade 9.
Oh.
And
What
then
we call primary school.
Yes, and then grade 10 to grade 12 is high school. Yeah, it was awkward.
Secondary.
OPE.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was awkward.
Yeah, no,
Okay,
know.
nice.
No, just bring it back for us youth. I had the choice from athletes. I'm young.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. So it was
Anyway.
like that team.
Okay, I get
Yeah,
it.
so I'm moving to junior secondary school. Yeah, I was looking forward to. I went to Ilembe.
Shaga.
It's Ilembe primary now, but ngesikhathi it was Ilembe junior secondary.
Gotcha.
Shout out. Yeah, so I went there, and my activities were taken very seriously.
Gotcha.
Like,
I did everything. I did news reading. I
News
did-
reading. Jesus.
I'm that girl.
Yeah.
I did news reading. I was very smart. So I do news reading, public speaking, drama, everything. And then I would get a bit disturbed at school because I experienced a lot of bullying.
Sure.
Like, was it females or like boys?
Everyone.
Like
Yeah.
boys
Well,
liked you,
boys
though.
mainly.
Because boys liked you though.
No, I don't think so.
You know,
Yeah.
you know when you're a kid, dog, when you're picking
Yeah.
up someone, you're like, I'm time.
But why?
It's because you don't have
I'm
any
trying to
other
grab your
way-
attention,
Yeah,
and I don't know
yeah.
any other way to speak to people.
So it's better for you to annoy me.
No, but like
It's the only way.
if I'm vulnerable, if I'm saying it wasn't like tanned, I'm vulnerable. Man, you can spit on me or in or whatever.
But aren't you then giving me a chance to hate you?
Kanjan, if we have this tick and tack, it's very close to love. I'd
Yes.
say.
You're giving me
That's-
attention.
Yeah, it's very close. I can turn it around. No, like you don't know that at the
You
time.
sounds like a former bully.
No, you don't.
And you see the way I'm looking at you
Look at the
right
trauma
now.
on her face. Look at the trauma.
It was love, dog.
Really?
It was love, dog. Umchaza nje useyibo mbuka nje umuntu wami nje lapha.
Othi ngomhlupho, othi ngompucuko.
Manje ngombingelela ngizongingiza. Kodwa mengimcoba, hayi ke kuyashelela.
She'll see my smarts in the jokes.
Where a nigga spends his attention or his time, doesn't waste his attention or time.
Well, it's obviously you don't receive it that way. And
Yeah.
Where's the problem?
You can't see beyond yourself at the time.
Don't blame the victim.
No, I'm just saying
You're
can't.
victim
I'm saying
blaming.
you can't see the true intention, right? Because you stuck on the feeling of yourself.
I just
guess.
feel like
Well,
Is
I've
that
seen
not
the stuff in movies.
Yeah,
It happens like
it
that,
happens
but
in real life. As a guy,
A movie is a movie, guys.
no.
Can you imagine as a
Movies
young
are written
boy?
by writers that have come from the human world.
Yes,
Yeah, I know that,
Yeah.
but-
Yes. You know that better as an artist, Foots in jail.
I know.
Art imitates life, bro.
Yeah. Can you imagine being a small boy, uthanda umuntu, who's look at that girl? Oh my God! Every day she makes my day. She didn't speak.
You know, right now, as you guys are speaking, I am having these images of my bullies in my head.
Yeah.
And to think that they liked me.
What did they do? Let's just get to the what is
No,
it?
you know what was the thing?
Yeah.
Esikoleni ngangimude. And you know, esikoleni,
Uzumude.
you know, there was this pathetic, stupid thing that they would do.
I'm sorry for laughing.
Othisha, angena uthisha eklasini ephethe ibhuku azobuza iminyaka. Abasukuma mana 13, abasukuma mana 14.
So I was 34.
So you know the part that will irk me the most. Masukuthiwa birthday yakho mengakafiki. Musu ukuthi wena una 13.
Yeah.
Because mina ngizalwa ngoJuly. Musu ukuthi lento yenziwa la ku March.
Yeah.
Musu ukuthi una 13 wena usena 12. And you know what the funny thing is? Funny now, but it wasn't funny back then. Ngimude nginawo bonke eklasini. And then I turned out to be the youngest.
So what would they say?
They would say I'm lying. They will throw my mom into the shit, and they'll say, "Oh, my
And kids
are cruel.
Yes, and at some points I had to steal my birth certificate
to show them,
to prove that guys, like I'm
really
lying.
this age.
But that was
heist NZ.
Yes, I went under the bed to get this thing, and that day was very important to me. But
and then after that, back to that.
No. What?
Oh, then
see those guys that you're saying that they liked me.
They loved you.
Oh God,
they went ham.
It was worse.
Youngin.
I can.
Yeah, even more.
Anyway, then you fought the victory with the arts.
Then you know what saved me? Netball.
Because why?
Because I was the star of the school.
Oh,
yes.
And so you're using your height against them.
Yes.
Netball is female rugby, dog.
Yeah. So I played netball and
so you've always been the girl.
Yeah.
Always been the girl.
One
this
way
is
or
primary
another,
school
I've always
girl,
been the girl.
Primary school, early.
Secondary, what?
Junior secondary.
Junior
secondary.
Yeah.
Remember that, junior secondary.
So then, what do you do after matric? Matriculation.
Okay, then I go to high school.
Okay.
Oh wait, this is still junior.
That's junior secondary, dude.
Sorry.
Keep up.
I heard secondary.
High school 10 to 12.
Yes, it's grade 10 to 12.
Oh,
grade 10 to 12.
damn it.
Yeah. So now I go to high school.
Yeah.
I'm like this netball girl.
Watch look clean.
And I'm like, what's happening in this school? Like,
what are the activities?
What's happening in my school?
where are the netball chicks? Because you better tell them
that I'm here.
That I'm here now.
I was in the A team in grade 6.
I was in A team. I ended up playing not only for the municipal team but for the district team. So I was that good. So tell those bitches. Tell those bitches.
Yeah,
and then I find with Skoleni the netball team was not that strong.
You're the only star.
Yeah, and then I said
Cristiano Ronaldo in Saudi Arabia.
Why is she?
Yeah, I just left. It was not for me. I left, and
there was no glory. She loves the glory.
Yeah, I mean,
you need strong.
You need this.
Well, you know, we are figuring high school. Konama 8 girls are corner, you know, and when you figure the mentality, you go to know, like I want to make a mark. You know, I'm new here. I want to.
They must know my name.
They must know, and then you get here, where like
you're like, I'm the only type bitch here.
I'm like, no, not for me.
So what did you do?
And then I went back. I joined the high school choir. Yeah. Okay. And then.
How was the choir there though? Was it like competitive or was it also just chilled?
No, choir was taken very seriously.
Got you.
Yeah, choir was taken very seriously. I competed with other schools. I was quite known in the province.
So you were drawn to anything that had like eyes or like something that was like taken seriously in a sense. If
something that has structure, something
spectacular.
Yes, I'm there.
Where you could really show who you are and whatnot. Okay, cool.
Rules,
leadership structure is clear.
Got you.
I'm there.
Captain one day always.
Duh.
That's
So high school for me was a breaking point. I'll tell you why. Because angisukuba nalama competitions choral music competitions where you compete with schools around your area, and then uhambe up until you go to national level. Yeah, and then I did that. I was a soloist at school, and then I went to national level. I didn't win, but I represented KZN very well. Okay. That was 2009. I was doing grade 12. Still, my height received a lot of attention because a lot of people that I was competing with who were very sure that I'm a student from Unizulu. At some point you had people who work from the department coming to my school unannounced to check if I'm really at class because, girl, you are too good to be a learner.
Sure.
You're tall and you're big and whatnot. But high school for me was the breaking point when it comes to my career. So that
gave you all the belief you needed in yourself, like in high school? Because I feel like at different stages you got that from where like it started hard. You found your place. Yeah,
I always found my place. As difficult as it was, as emotionally exhausting sometimes, it was. But I think in the end, I always won.
So high school is when you knew, like, okay, I'm going to sing now. Like, I'm doing this thing for like as a career.
Yes.
Like, ngiyaphuma la ngiyocula.
Yes, but angizocula kuphela.
What did your parents say?
Uphuma, you knew ukuthi ngizocula.
Yes, but angizocula kuphela.
Okay.
Yes. I'm not going to go to varsity and study music.
Okay.
But I will sing like a person who studied music.
Sure.
So I want to do something else while I'm doing singing so that I have options.
So the sports thing and the singing thing was always like, it was always, you always had to do more than one thing.
Yes.
So you've always been like that since.
Yes, since. Okay. I love exploring.
Term 1, since I look, term 2, since I look, term 3, since I look. And just always something to do.
Okay, up until kids hate you because
you're so good at everything.
Yeah.
We're
tired of having
we're
to
tired
clap
of our
for
parents saying, good, you must be like her.
Yeah, we're tired of having to clap for you.
Hey.
She has a chip on her shoulder, dog.
Why do you say that?
Because she's like, we're tired to having to clap for you.
To clap for you.
That's like niggas, you go see me. Like, dog, like, yeah. When did that develop? Like, was that from how you say, like, you were bullied and whatnot? So did it start
just
there?
Bring back or sorts of reaction?
For me, I think it was a coping mechanism. For, having many things to focus on, shift from the effects of being bullied and always being reminded because when you have bigger feet than us and everything. So
what size there?
I'm a size 9.
That's like my sister tag.
Yeah.
That's
a big girl
for her.
Yeah.
But like, I have a size.
But I can't wear size 7.
I'm a size 7. What's wrong with the size 7?
Yeah, but like
but I'm a big girl.
Yeah.
You'd be laughing at me.
Yeah, I'm laughing at your size.
Yeah, so I think for doing many things for me was a coping mechanism.
Sure.
Now that singing kulile and I'm looking back, it was a coping mechanism because I always wanted to keep busy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what did you then decide to study?
I studied psychology.
Wait, did you finish?
Yes, I did.
Why psychology?
Because I've always been interested on the human mind, and how different our minds are, and how our minds are everything. They're the computer of your whole body.
Yes.
And Ekaya, my older brother, God rest his soul, had autism.
Sure.
My younger sister has autism.
Yeah.
So I'm the middle child, and I'm the only one, Uma, without autism. So I was always interested, Uguti, damn, what goes on in these guys' minds?
Is it like, was it always like hectic autism, or was it like slight?
Hectic autism. My sister can't speak.
To this day?
Yes.
And you guys find ways to communicate with her?
Yes, we can communicate with
dope.
her. She can't speak. We can't carry a conversation with her. It's hectic autism. You know, there are certain behaviors that when I'm a wabuga, you would think, but a child would do this.
Yeah.
You know, so she has hectic autism. My brother had the same exact same thing. So for interest so I wanted to understand how do we get here? How do we as humans physically get diagnosed with something that is not right here? Physically, you're fine.
Sure. Everything works.
Everything works. You're fine. It's not. You're not deaf. No. You're not mute. So I had all those questions. So then I wanted to study psychology.
Then how does it come about if it's not like a hardware thing?
If it's not a
hardware
it's not a machine, the body thing.
It's not a body, yeah. So how does it because I think it's wiring of brain circuits or things like a hardware thing. So if it's not a hardware thing, or you're saying only like a psychological thing?
Yes, it's a it's the something with your brain. Physically, if I wait,
physically, our brains are the same.
Yes.
They wired the same. Everything is perfect.
Everything is the same.
Different.
Yes.
Or
but something's stopping the neurons from firing the correct way.
Yes, exactly.
But then isn't that? But then is that not like a hardware thing?
It depends, hey.
Okay, it's external and internal, if we may put it like that.
No, but that's one of the things. It's very different. The human body is not essentially only hardware and only software. It's always like your brain
can affect your hardware.
Neuroplasticity, right?
Yes,
is your brain every day with every experience is shifting and changing based on every experience. So it's hard to diagnose whether it's a hardware or a software or is it initialization between the two.
Because I'm thinking that is a trauma based. Because that's my name.
Isn't born you born with it?
You're born with it. You're born with it. So what I meant with that was that my siblings are not akayikuninkinga or akakwazi ukuhamba. That's what I meant.
Physically disabled.
You're not physically disabled.
Okay.
You're mentally disabled.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
So interest yaqala lapho.
How was it like growing up like that with your siblings?
It was okay, because I used to take advantage.
I knew it. So you find your joy, dude. I was watching this one meme, Doug, of these two sisters and the one's deaf. The one's deaf. So the one who can speak or the one who can hear would say words, and this one would try to repeat the words.
Yeah.
But so obviously it's a fuck up of
yeah.
But they find that joy in the experience of it.
You know mawuzalwa nabantu abakhubazekile.
Yeah.
Are they assholes? They're assholes.
Kuwena.
I've seen assholes.
Not sometimes.
Yeah.
Kuwena, you're not. You focus ayiko on the part of disability.
Yeah.
This is just my sister. This is my brother.
Yeah.
They have autism.
Yeah.
They have the thingies that they do. Yeah. It's fine. If you have a problem with if you see them jumping up and down you're the one who has a problem. To me, this is normal.
This is my normal, yeah.
You know, you take advantage of it. There are certain things that they don't like eating. People with autism don't like change.
Yeah.
So there's a routine. This is what they eat for breakfast. This is what they eat for lunch. And I would know very well that my brother doesn't eat eggs. But I'll make eggs for him. These are your eggs. These are my eggs and my sister's eggs. They don't eat eggs. But now I know that I have 6 eggs. You know?
So I can find a one.
Yeah. And then, I forgot. And they're mine. You know, so growing up with disabled people, you forget the part of it.
Yeah.
This is your normal.
Sister,
At my home, this is normal.
Yeah.
When ungaphandle ungafika and be like,
what's going on?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that's beautiful.
That's beautiful, Jude.
Yeah.
So then, did you finish your degree in psychology?
Yes, I did.
So you're working in the field?
I did, but as I was doing my undergrad, I got very interested in industrial psychology.
Wait, you want to go help people that fell in mines?
Is that like the workforce?
Yes,
Yes,
the
the
factory.
workforce.
Oh, a box fell on your head. How do you feel about your life?
No.
It's even worse than that, dog. It's the fucking employer saying, okay, we need these people who have a right mind. So they have a right output.
Is it that type?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Occupational therapy. It's how do we make these people work 10 hours a day?
Billions.
No, guys, why are you making it sound so negative?
No,
how? We're showing the range. The company hires more people as people grow up and upskill. How?
It's about valuing the human factor at work.
Yes. So it just produces the right.
Yeah,
the right output.
Yes, Yabonja Manja with what's this shit?
Good shit.
Oh God.
Here we go.
Is it local?
What's this thing? The transformation that's going on.
Gender transformation.
No.
Employment.
With robotics and
AI.
Yes. All of those things, you know, right now.
Oh,
what do you like? What
are you gonna do against this?
Show us a context.
No, I'm not saying that I want to start a revolution against it. No, that's not what I'm saying. Okay. But what I'm saying right now, I showcase in Google in the academic sector. There's a huge debate going on with human factor versus robotics.
Are humans is AI going to replace our jobs?
Yes, what's going on? Why is it important to value the human factor? What is it that the human factor brings to the workplace versus it's a lot.
Robots don't get sick.
What's your point of view? Because
well, my point of view is my point of view is, I mean, first, before you pick a side, you study both sides. You know, of course, robots don't get sick, as you've said. Robots, high productivity, less noise, less headache, and whatnot. You know,
and robots don't get pregnant.
It only comes with customization.
Don't start with me.
No,
what they don't
get pregnant.
Yeah,
that's a fact.
But don't start with me.
Robots like men.
Don't get pregnant and then go on 4 months leave.
Nigga, don't open a can of worms.
I'm playing with you.
What's wrong?
Because I'm a woman.
How? So what? So does that have to do
with
it?
Why do you have an issue with pregnancy?
No one has an issue with pregnancy.
I have an issue with people getting sick too.
If you're
people getting
sick at the workplace, yes.
That could be a dude. If you're an employer.
And this guy gets struck by a car and he's in hospital for 3 months. You have to pay his salary and his replacement salary.
Okay, so what's the question there?
No, I'm saying as an employer.
How would you feel about that?
How would you feel about that?
Like, would you not
say more?
No, would you pay 2 salaries?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm paying salary and
his replacement salary.
Oh, that doesn't sound nice.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
As an employer, because employers are people too.
Like when a lady has a baby and goes off for 4 months and then I have to pay her and...
the trusts are still the same. I work
as an employer, I want my partner to go.
So as I was saying, before I was interrupted. So see the debate that we're having right now? Those are the debates that will take place every time. Lecture hall, human factor versus machines. Now that we're in this era, now that machines are doing everything for us, what about the human factor?
What about your voice?
But do
have we forgotten about the human factor?
But do you think it makes it takes it out, or do you think it just redirects where your voice should be? It's like you said, you don't want to spend time on his cleaning and all of this. Like you want to use your energy on things that are tangible in which you can see or quantify like the returns that you have, right? So it's like, okay, I won't type. I can't type anymore. So that is a scale of washes age. But at least you can put your faculties elsewhere in which like you can see an exponential return or impact of your faculties as opposed to his age.
Like me, I hate writing. Like AI, I'll be like 1 page, write 3 pages for me based on this.
Okay, but when it comes to arts,
script. I made a script on AI. It's art.
Well, that's good.
when I make music, I go, give me a chord progression for a pop song, and it goes blah. I still have to play it on my guitar. Yeah, well,
that's great.
Human factor.
That's great. I mean, I won't lie. I'm not gonna say that's stupid or that's just I'm not gonna hate on AI. That's great.
Don't say you're hating.
But
we're not AI fans.
We just use it.
But art. I'm gonna speak about art.
Let's go.
We can never take away the element of soul in arts.
Yeah.
We can never take that away.
Are you saying that we could never make a soul robot?
A soul robot?
No, she's saying in terms of music, you can never make a soul in. But wait, I would argue that.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay, let me listen.
This is good.
Well, in my opinion,
okay, yes,
I don't think there's my music, for instance, there's meaning behind it. It's someone's experience. There's soul, there's feelings, there's emotions that are attached to it. All my music, and I'm sure I'm not the only artist who will resonate with that. Writing a song down, there's a spiritual element that is connected to it. Some of us, these things are not planned. They come to your dreams. Each and every artist has their own experience when it comes to producing art. All right. So which is why I'm saying that artificial intelligence, is that what it is?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. Takes all of that away and just gives you this is this, you need to consume this. You don't need to understand what experience happened. You don't need to understand what
make this vibe.
Make na 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 for me.
Okay, have you tried to make a song through?
No, I haven't tried.
Can you please try it? Make a song through it, because I think
you're coming from a symbolism.
You can paint, like a painter can paint, but if you can find something that can paint for you, you can be like, ugh, yeah, but you can still direct the direction in which that painting has to go.
That final output.
Yeah, but so you have, I'd say there's something that you're channeling in which that allows you to express yourself, in which in a conscious state you may not be able to be aware of it at the time. So that's why it may come to you in your dreams, in this and an afterthought or whatever, when you're not necessarily
conscious.
Yeah, when you're not necessarily actively thinking about Hennessy or this or whatever. Not to say you're a Hennessy drinker. I'm joking. That was just like a joke because it's there. But what I'm saying is that so your use of AI won't be the same way that I'd use AI.
Okay.
So I'd be limited in my range of AI because I'm just a mother who doesn't know anything about chords or whatever. I
see what you're saying. I see.
Your use of it could be way 3 times.
And that's all it is. Like you say, like the human factor. When you put AI and the human factor, like the AI it can maybe be able to take all of the soulful songs that have been made and be able to find like the algorithm or the source and be able to make something somewhat that could maybe the illusion of soul, if you get what I mean. It could be sonically create a sonic version, but it needs somebody who has it. So it's the man to sit there and be like, nope, it's your tanga. And that would be you as a person behind the AI direction showing it. So I think while we're alive, at least maybe next 50 years, there'll always be an intertwining. The machine will take away the tedious things, but you still
dishes, dog.
Yeah, but you still it'll do the dishes, but you still have to come and put the soap, change the soap every 20 days or so. Yeah, about type of thing.
You. Yeah.
So you're the soap changer with the AI.
It'll take convincing.
Nah, you have to try it. You can't.
I'm not saying I'm not going to try it.
No, but it won't. You
just want some. Let's co-produce a song so we can get credit.
Yeah.
Let's co-produce a song with AI.
So if I with AI, it's ChatGPT.
Okay.
And then say record it.
Okay, I'll definitely want to.
Go vele ukwazi ukusebenzisa istudio ushilo la before.
Hayi phela kusangikwazi totally
kahle. Ube ne technical.
Press la record.
Yeah. Such an asshole.
Yes. Okay. I'm up
anyway,
for it.
And then how do you then end up winning Afro? What's it? Afro
music.
Afro music, yeah.
Oh, you did your research.
Yeah. 2019. And then she went and did all these fancy interviews.
Yeah. That one. I entered a competition. I entered a competition.
Were you bored and like, I need more glory?
No. Oh God, this guy. Okay, before I entered the competition, I was active in the choral music space here in Durban. Singing, kakhulu kanjani, and they respect me.
You know at your funeral they're gonna sing a song for 10 minutes.
No.
You don't know that.
Is that too long?
Okay, well, I'll be dead, so I don't know.
Just because you can't direct them,
I'll write a will.
Who
who gets to sing?
In my
the singing
funeral,
guest list.
This is the music that I want. Yeah. Anyway, so I was active, and then I was part of a choir that was very experimental. Not only doing choral music, do pop, do jazz, do everything. So even Masa Senza, the other genres, I'll get a lot of platforms to do solos. Hey, can you do this? Hey, we're doing something inside So Strong. Can you please do the solo for us? Oh, okay, cool. Hey, we're doing this. Can you do this for us? Okay, great. And then as time goes on, a lot of people would come, hey, maybe you should try going solo. Because, I mean, damn, like your voice, like, oh my God, we're impressed and whatnot. So I'd love that, but I would feel that, okay, now is not the time. You know, that was like maybe 2014, 15, 16. And then 2018, I released my first single.
Russia.
Paramambogoto.
Sure.
The single does well. I'm like, oh, okay, I didn't expect this. I was just, you know. And then 2019, I come across the competition.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let me read the guidelines and the rules and whatnot. Do reading. I'm like, let me enter with my song. Let me just see what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I mean, it's predominantly online.
Yeah.
You just need to get people to vote. Okay, I'll try. And I just entered.
Sash.
And then from time to time, they will announce, okay, this is now top 30, top 20, da. And I started taking it serious, asking people to vote. My friends were very supportive, voting. As much as we knew that a huge part of the adjudication set
Was the judges.
It's the judges' score, you know. But yeah, people voted for me because they loved my music.
Was the competition easy?
No, it wasn't. Because there was this guy from Nigeria that was giving me a hard time.
Hey,
bruh. What is it with Nigeria?
She's a dog. A melody.
Got the Bashai or FCon.
There was this guy from Nigeria.
Cote d'Ivoire one. You didn't watch the final? Okay.
Dude, where do you live? I even know that.
I don't watch soccer, dog. He's the soccer fan between the three of us.
Oh.
Yeah, but not like
AFCON.
African.
How dare you say that?
How dare you?
Like
his views are not of the channel. They're his personal views.
Yes, I agree.
Still.
Winner?
Meaning supporter.
Blackburn.
Supposed to
You support Blackburn Rovers.
Blackburn.
Thank you, Cal.
What can you pay the Blackburn?
Oh, let's not open.
The last team.
The last team.
That's not Benny's team. To say that's Benny's team.
Yeah.
Did Benny not play for that team?
He had a stint.
Did he not play for the team?
What's a stint?
I was speaking English.
It's Kashan. Like,
so he did play. So he did play.
Did he not enter the field for that team in that
that wasn't his pinnacle of Benny.
Can we not say it's in Benny's teams?
Okay, wait.
We talk about legacy.
Okay, sharp. Let's talk about legacy. If you choose a team based on the last leg of a player's career, now so super is and now go time. He's on his way out la. When I catch on his team, he's been in better teams. When I catch a good time, we are Swallows. Hey, to support the Swallows. Shout out to Swallows.
I went to Manchester City after that, but she didn't want to keep my word.
What you choose, you choose.
Yeah, guys. So I then entered, and then there was the final round. They tried because it was a new project. They tried to have all singers come. They wanted to do it in Cape Town, the final round, where they'll have all of us. I think in the final round we were 15, if I'm not mistaken. But with funding issues, didn't happen. They just said, no, it's going to continue online. And then I remember the day, bruh. When we were waiting for the announcement. Oh my God.
It's like your matric results.
All over again. 10 years later.
I went to a club the previous night.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Did your parents know?
No, man.
Which club?
I don't remember. But I was partying. I remember
Were
that.
you drunk?
No. I went with my fiance. He was boyfriend at that time.
Yes. He knew.
He knew what?
She's about to blow.
That he got a winner. How?
No. Of course. So we went out. I'm pretty sure we had other friends there, so we were just out, and then we came back. We slept the entire morning. I think we had a yes, we had a fight
with the husband.
Yes,
usually the case.
Then boyfriend at the time.
Yes, we had a fight. And I was like, don't speak to me. No, it wasn't that type of fight. But we don't have those type of fights that, I saw you talking to that girl. I don't know. We don't have that type of fight.
It was more like ego.
Why didn't you bring me the drink?
I don't know, but it was something petty. I'm pretty sure I was screaming. Yeah, and I think we had a fight. I'll never forget this. We had a fight and then we went to sleep. The entire morning we were sleeping, and then I remembered it was
competition, guys.
And then I went online, and that right there and there, the announcement was being made. Screamer, guys. And he woke up like, babe, what's going on? And then he was apologizing, like, hey, babe, I'm sorry, but forget about that.
Bigger than that.
Hello? Yeah, I was very happy. I was honored. And for me, that was a stamp. For me, God was speaking to me and saying...
How old are you then? 28, 29, 27?
Yo, I wanted to be
2019, 19. It's either -1 or you're -2.
It's -2. I'm turning 32 this year, so
no, she's younger than me.
I'm older than her.
Yeah, you older than her, but too. Yeah, no. So you're about to reach 30, and this music shit has been, and then boom,
here comes this thing.
Shooting J. After all this time, I knew I wasn't gonna be a scrum singer, and it's happened.
The adjudicators were texting me, your song was great. I had already won an award for the best African song.
Continental girl.
In the competition, because there were other special awards, which is a song that is most likely to be covered in another language, song that is what. So I'd won my song for the best song in an African language. So at least I had that. And that award was from France.
Shout out.
Yeah.
I got a France award.
Yeah, it was from France. So I was
French award.
Very excited. Guys, I can't even describe this.
So how did that change your life? Did it change your life?
At this point where you're like, I'm a solo artist. I'm
going for this.
It was the right push that I needed, because I knew that you're gonna go to Eurovision, you're gonna fly, you're gonna perform there, come back, and then
you performed the Eurovision?
Yes, I did.
Oh, dope.
Yeah, you're gonna go there, you're gonna come back. I had that at the back of my mind. And then you're going to come back. And then because I was in contracts with them for a year, they're going to get you gigs. They're going to get you appearances.
They PRC tactic, bro.
And then after that, and then I had that in my mind. You could see, okay, they're going to pick another winner next year.
Yeah.
And then
it's done for you.
So I had that in my mind. Because, okay, this is the right push that I needed. Yeah. That I needed to work. I needed to work on my album. I needed to see where this thing is going to take me. Yeah. But that alone was an amazing experience. I mean, having to perform in front of 120,000 people.
Yes,
you had big screens, bruh. I was about to my screens.
It should be.
You mean I was none of like the screens. Picture like land.
Sure.
Kune stage slap Suncoast, and then there's tons of people. Was figure out beach. The screens everywhere. So that's not lost South Beach. As much as I'm on the stage, but
they are born.
Yo, guys, I will never forget that experience.
That's crazy, dude.
It was crazy. I had hectic flu, but I pulled through.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
You can have diarrhea on that stage. You still.
I was gonna shit on myself, and it was gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
That is fucking crazy.
Yeah.
So then, with all of that singing stuff, what happened after the Afro Euro, and then they left you? COVID.
COVID happened. I shame Afro music was hit so bad.
And
because even the founders, I think they've moved from South Africa now.
Oh.
Yeah,
it was bad. It was really bad. COVID, yeah, shy guys.
As an artist,
I don't want to lie to you. But I'm grateful for. I don't know if I can say the name of the.
Say it.
Jukes.
The streaming service.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, Jukes wang tagula, guys.
In the on the pingom.
They had these live performance thingies going
on.
Oh,
I remember.
Yes.
The streaming from home.
Yes,
at home
and you'll plug and you'll perform for like 30 minutes or so.
I actually did one with Teabag.
Yes, and then you'll get paid.
Oh, dope.
It was too good to be true, but they would really pay you. They'll pay you. And I was so excited. I'm like, what?
So you did a few concerts.
I did a few concerts, and then I entered another competition. Big live, Jukes competition, big live, where you'd sing and Lord Solama views amaningi will be selected to go, Nime selected and then do another one, and then Donama views amaningi is the winner. What? And then I won, and then I got to open for Jeremy Loops. Yo, I was so excited.
Oh, dope. Dope.
That's why I'm mad, guys.
Jeremy Loops.
Yo, I was so excited.
Jeremy Loops.
I don't know. No, it's because
it's because
I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah.
Was afro-pop always the genre that you wanted to go into, or did you have like another idea? R&B or whatever.
I will do other genres. I've tried doing other genres. It's just that I loved afro-pop.
Why do you think vocalists only stick with like afro-pop and house, like in South Africa generally? Like they only make like a dance?
I think it's a type of music that resonates with South Africans, truly speaking. A larger audience resonates with house, afro-pop, afro-soul, so that it's safe.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of artists would want to play it safe, I loved Afropop. Like even now going to the studio,
so
it's what I know.
On your way, isn't all the time. It's like,
so it's what I know. I love this, and even now with the new music that I have, I would say to my manager, sometimes the stuff that I have, I feel like it's old school Afropop.
Gotcha.
But to me, it makes a lot of sense, But to get back to the question,
thinking about cows and shit.
Yeah.
I'm just playing with you. Don't get offended now.
Yeah.
Sazocula ngama-Bentley fethu.
Get in the Louis Vuitton bag. I'm kids.
I know. I don't think I'll get there.
You do R&B.
No, I do R&B, but there's a lot of other stuff to sing about.
What are your next genres?
Yeah.
I'm willing to try out jazz.
Don't say jazz. I was in my head saying don't say jazz.
Why?
That's because you just like, it's just so it's safe.
Close.
It's safe.
It's close,
it's safe.
Yeah. Jazz, Maskandi.
Yeah,
I wanna do a dope hip hop song.
As in rap.
No.
Oh,
as in sing and then the other
R&B.
person.
But when I'm sharing number 4 bars, 8 bars, or say
and then go shire.
I pick it, I take it.
And then go shire.
Or rap Beyonce, yeah.
But
do you write for other people?
Work for other people.
Right.
I haven't written for another person. I want to this year.
Okay.
I want to.
And you wrote all your songs?
Yes. Okay. I write all my songs. I want to write for another person because there is stuff that I would write and I feel like, I'd want someone else to sing this.
It's not in my voice.
It's not in my.
I want to speak about this, but not in my voice.
I will get people to.
So then I met you.
My stuff.
Sorry, cut you off. I met you on screen when I was cutting your scene for Spongile and the Dlaminis. Why did you jump over to acting now? We are
You know, it's a funny story, guys.
Tell us.
The person who convinced me to try acting was attracted to me. My physique attracted them to me.
What's out? Type jam.
No, not in that way.
Oh.
In which way then?
In which
No,
way?
in looking at a person and seeing how they are built and thinking in your mind that, because I mean, I get.
Sounds like you remind me of a girl.
I get.
You saying like
I play roles of older people.
typecasted.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
it's like you'd fit this.
You would
character
fit this
purposely.
character because we're looking for a
Okay,
person
okay.
who is tall and powerful and whatnot. That's how I really got into it. Someone came to me and mentioned that, you know what, have you done this? No, I haven't done acting for TV. I've done theater.
They're like, what? TV? Sounds like a challenge. Let's go.
Because I had done acting for theater.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I said, oh, I haven't done acting for TV. I'm willing to learn though. And then, yeah, that I was approached. I'm not gonna say I've always.
So which
had
role
the
was that? Which
passion
role was that for?
For Deb and Jen.
For Durban Jen.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Yes,
You
I was
go
approached.
pay. Hey, Washa.
Yeah,
What about Neslap?
No. I was Magacilsile. Remember, Kelvin had another girl pregnant.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
But yeah.
And then I was the mother of the pregnant girl.
Oh, what's that, Sanjay? I feel what's that?
Gabi.
And then since then, Jay.
Since then, Jay.
Since then, yes, I've been
Soon the agent, DJ.
Yes.
And do you like it?
My agent approached me, by the way.
Oh. You're like, yes, I'm winning again.
So I'm
winning
getting
again.
so I'm getting coaching now.
Fucking dope, dude.
Doing a lot of reading.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Do you like the
It's
time?
like the hours.
The hours are horrible.
No, the hours are horrible, guys. Ngeke.
Yeah. So
Hey,
do you
ma.
like it?
I go
Kusibongele
6.
and the Lamini is I actually asked the guys, the crew goes, guys, do you have a life?
No. 6 to 6, bro. C'est shooter.
No.
That's just sad.
Yeah, it's what you want to do, ain't it?
Yeah, I know, but I mean, at least, well, because Mina, I've only done a small roles. Sorry.
Oh, you're not
So you're not there.
I haven't done.
You haven't done 2 months.
You know, I haven't. So, like in Toyami, you're shooting for a week. And then
Even a movie, bro, like 10 days, and you feel it, bro.
You feel it, yeah.
Yo, your body's
And I'm
like,
but these guys, but these guys, shame. By 6 they are here, and I get zelayo la. By 6 they're working up and down. Well, I've never seen them.
The party just throw you out.
And then shoots and facials at times they go overtime. We have one about which they're complaining, but I mean,
It's your job.
yeah. But I even find it difficult sometimes to call myself an actress because
you're so new to it.
I'm new to it.
She's just dabbling. She's
But
just doing it as a
But you've already been on like 2 TV shows.
man, nigga.
3.
3, yeah, 1 and J. Who's counting?
I've been to 3, yes, but I've been on 3 shows. But I respect the craft so much that there's a lot of unlearning that I have to do, and a lot of learning.
The theater unlearning.
Yes.
Yeah. So I know your face. Actor.
You know, so there's a lot of things that I need to learn about the craft so that every time I'm given a role, I do better. Every time I'm given a role, I understand that it's not just about memorizing lines.
Gotcha.
Sister, it's a lot. You have to dig deeper. I'm learning a lot, and I'm enjoying the learning process so much.
Go.
I think, is it helping you with any traumas that you've gone through? Like, do you pull from a trauma, or is it just like
I haven't come across a situation where I had to pull from a trauma.
So you literally just trying to envision yourself as in this person's shoes.
I understand this character, and with the information that you have, you understand the traumas of the character, and then you take it from there.
So you don't try to find like a connection. So is it
Getting on a mic, bitch.
is there a connection that you try to find?
No, with the roles that I've played, no.
No. Okay.
No, because remember the roles that I play are roles of old people. I always get old people roles because of how I'm built.
Got you.
Yeah. But so far, no, I haven't had a role where I had to dig somewhere. No.
How's it fighting with Mom Deliver?
Oh, I wish I could fight with her again.
In real life?
No. But she was amazing.
Yeah.
By the way. She was
Yeah.
she would give me pointers. Okay, in order for this thing to work, let's do it like this.
Yeah.
Let's do it like this so that it works. She was that person. She would not get on set and just, hi Johnny, okay,
Keep to
3, 2,
yourself.
1, action, and then go.
Sure.
Del.
Yeah.
She was not that. She was very welcoming. She would sit with her. Okay, let's look at the script. Okay, how are we going to do this so that he and Zega,
Gotcha.
yeah.
Yeah,
Paid.
but I tried to make you look good, but shy girl.
So, do you ever
She
get on
whooped my
set
ass.
and be like starstruck?
No.
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 Okay.
Seen the industry for too long, been behind the curtain for too long now.
No, I've never been starstruck.
Okay.
And I'll tell you why.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't think was swinging starstruck. Gisuge. I don't know. I just respect the people that I see on TV and I'll get an opportunity to work with them. It's more of me showing respect and not going, oh my God. No, I don't do that. I mean, we're all in the same industry. It's just a matter of respect.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, oh my God, I have so much respect for you. Like, I'm very appreciative of this opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you working on now?
Now, I'm just being a mom now.
Oh.
First time mom.
No.
How many kids you got?
I have 2 kids.
Mother of the nation.
When you had the second one, was it like I'm doing this again? This
One more time.
The experience was different. My pregnancies.
Was the first one better?
The first one,
guys.
I was still in school when I was pregnant.
Wait.
So you can't call that a nice experience.
Like college school.
Hey, Baba, grade
school.
12, I
Hey.
was pregnant.
Nonzwakazi.
Upizukulela amadoda. Hi boy.
Yeah, Shem. I had my son.
Hectic.
Yes.
How old is he now?
Yo,
We said
13.
she said she's 32, Doug.
Oh, so
I don't know.
18, yeah, 12, 13.
14.
Hey.
Yeah, I mean, with age, I'm very bad.
Teenage.
Even with my son, I need to. But August 2009.
Yeah.
He's turning 14, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah. And it was very bad, guys.
You disappointed your parents in grade 12.
Fethu, ngawaphoxa abazali.
But you're a better person now because
Yeah.
you won a competition on TV.
Yeah.
On
And I was broken hearted.
Wakshu, baby dead.
Wangshiya.
Did he come back?
You tried.
Oh gosh. Left back.
I don't know if I should say this. No, you know what?
Yeah.
I don't think he loved me.
He loved himself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's a way I got. I don't think he loved me.
Why would you
I
say
think
that?
You're the mother
it
of
was
his child.
just a spare of the moment thing.
Grade 12.
It was a moment thing, and then now there's a child. and then okay, I'm gonna try because now there's a child.
I got you.
But
you're both young, nah?
Yeah, and then it just evaporated. So that is why I'm saying I don't think he loved me.
Okay.
I know I was. Too.
And then the second time was like fun. Was like, oh my god.
Yeah, the second time I was
the photo shoots and the
no, I didn't do the photo shoots.
You didn't do them. Too.
No, even with my coming one, I will not do the photo.
When's the
shoots.
next one coming? 2025.
I think in about 4 years or so.
When you win a Grammy.
4 years.
Yeah.
Come
I'll
on,
have
dog.
another child.
No, that's fair. She's 32.
No, get it over and done with now.
That is also true.
Not in Cyril's
No.
economy. We gotta recover from this recession.
No.
No, but so how old is the youngest one now?
She's turning 3 this year.
Oh, shit, so coolly looking.
Yeah, so I have 2 kids. I'm a mom.
Finish my play dates. No, I'm turning 3 this year.
Aw.
She's a menace. Yo, menace, eh? Like just active.
No, she doesn't know.
No, toddlers are like that.
Yeah.
Toddlers, a toddler will
Carve you, dog. Yo. Carve you.
Mommy.
you will think a newborn is better. Like we are super hlamp newborn. A toddler.
And then on their fuck.
Hey, a toddler ilali baba.
In emotional, every time everything's an emotional experience.
Yeah, but I'm enjoying being a mom. And what I also want to do, I just want, one of my resolutions, I just wanted to be a better person this year.
Aww.
I wanted to do better. I wanted to be more present for my kids. My kids are growing up, and with the hectic schedule that I have, each and every gap at Kamungayo, I spend time with my kids. I want to be a better daughter. I want to spend time with my parents. I want to be a better friend. I want to be a better.
Were you working from
babe.
like low lows, or were you like a decent person and then you're like?
Yeah.
What do you mean low?
You're a mean girl.
Like you say you want to be a better person, so it's like, hey, you were a trash person before.
No, it's not that. When there's certain things that will happen around you, you start losing people. People die. So all that shit.
You let it overwhelm you.
Yes.
So you're not gonna let it overwhelm you anymore.
Yeah, I just want to be a better person. I just want to be there because time, guys.
Hey,
how does marriage help you get through that?
Oh my God. Do you have another hour? My fiance is an amazing person.
You say, I thought the ring is big. I mean, I thought it's gone. Oh, she doesn't look at it.
So podcaster from Umshat.
Yes.
Recording live. RadioDR.
Yeah. My fiance is an amazing person.
Yeah.
I think.
I'm telling you.
What?
I know, right? It's actually quite disgusting.
He saw me performing.
He's a fan.
Grade 12. Oh. No, he was also singing.
Grade 12, fan.
Yes.
Grade 12.
Grade 12.
Yeah, but that's still the.
He was high school sweetheart.
Yes.
Yeah.
He was from another school. I'm from another school.
Was
And schools are coming together. We're competing. And then.
But you've always known him.
No.
So he's always known you.
He's always known you.
No, guys.
Because he was a fan first.
No, he wasn't a fan.
Nigga, when you saw him stage.
Isolo grade 12. So yena ungaze lapho.
But he's in the crowd.
Lapho. No, he's not in the crowd. He's also singing.
Oh,
he's a singer now.
Yes.
Oh.
I thought he was just
this guy in the crowd. He's like,
no.
yo, I want to marry that that one.
No.
I was about to say creepy, but now that he's saying it's like it's okay.
No, it's not like that.
Like, okay, cool.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Gotcha.
I wouldn't even
have
be
a second
Spain
child.
if it wasn't for him.
So
he's also my manager.
You can tell all of the women. He's also a manager.
Yes.
I was gonna ask you.
Need to meet him.
Yeah.
You will.
He's the brav.
He's the brav. He does everything. He makes the money calls.
Yeah.
You will meet him. Yeah, he's a dope guy.
Oh, wait. Manage.
Yeah, he's great. He's dope. And he gets to experience even the hectic side.
Of course, the crazy side.
He sees the impatient me. He sees me when I'm crying, when I'm not satisfied, when I'm
in your
when
ego.
I'm sick.
When your ego takes over all the time, he's there.
Yeah. Hey, Pella,
Hey,
when
hey.
you're a singer and artist.
Because it lives in the east.
Have you asked people that I've worked with about me?
No, because you put on a mask at work.
No, I don't.
I want your husband. He sees the mask off.
Oh, wow.
The artist.
Yeah, so.
Before you put on the wig to go to work.
No, guys. I'm a nice person to work with.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see, Sholo.
I'm
Does your
telling you.
3-year-old think you're nice? Does your 3-year-old think you're nice?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can't tell us.
You wanna
People
see
must
it?
tell you,
Yes.
like, people must tell you it's
Okay,
okay.
cool.
Yeah, it's okay.
Understood. Anyway, yeah. So another thing that I want to do, I want to collaborate more this year.
Dope.
Yeah.
Musically?
Musically,
Film?
yes. Musically.
Look, Shaili move was over the teacher's wife.
Would you do like just like a feature, like just a side feature, a side film, Jay?
Yeah.
And just okay. So like your collaboration is like music and film.
Yeah.
Just in,
Arts
I
collaboration.
just want to collaborate, yeah, with
Okay.
as many people as I can collaborate with. As much as every year I'm doing this Songstresses of Durban show every year in the month of August.
Okay, man.
my girl.
My girl, come on. She feels offended that I asked her
If
that.
she could have been paid since high school, she'd be paid since high
No,
school.
guys,
She be
no,
paid.
no.
That event, still look feels a podcast.
Yeah, so I do that show every year where when did I I'm planning the third annual one. This is the third one.
Third is the
that we're gonna do this year. Eyokuqala ngayenza noZawadi, noZinhle Madela. Yes. The second one.
Zawadi was cross. Zawadi was cross.
Zawadi, you better come.
Yeah, podcast.
And then the second one I did with Sky Wanda.
Guy
and I was cross.
Sky was cross. I'm a song just of Durban.
Hi,
So I like
guys.
that one by one.
And then I'm still planning this one. So that's one thing that I want my show to be big.
Dope.
Okay.
I want it to be in Durban's calendar.
Ule kahle.
Have I ever disappointed?
What should tell us is.
Okay, we can talk about that.
Yeah, business manager.
No.
I'm the manager, bitch.
Yeah, so what's out now is Iuni Zulu Choir, University of Zululand. They just featured me in their album. The single is out, which actually it's a remake of my song.
Okay.
Oh, dope.
Ikukulam, yes.
Getting that double rack.
So we worked on that.
I sing of your first
Well,
song,
the
and
first
then
song.
they do a remake.
Do the remake of your song, and then you're getting paid as a songwriter and a performing artist.
And the
Some
performing
artists have it
artist.
too easy.
Yeah, dog. If I was,
No, it's not. Yeah, it's no, guys. You know, we sit here and we talk about all of these things, and it's not. It's really not nice out there. It is.
the gap between the milestones.
Yeah.
Nobody talks
We
about.
can
You know,
Yes,
you
and you
will
think,
stand
yeah.
at ICC you would sing and people will clap for you. People would cry and be like, "My God, my child!"
Promoting
And
a
you
Coke.
will go home and you will have nothing to eat.
Promoting a Coke.
So
guys, 1 week.
really, it's really hectic for us artists. So that is why
The gig economy, dog.
bruh.
If people want to get more of your work, can they find you?
On my socials, I'm there. Facebook, Nonzwakazi, Insta, Nonzwakazi_Gamashimane. Yeah, those are my most active ones socially. That's where I'm available.
But they can like Google Nonzwakazi Maphumulo and find their way,
and find my music. My music is available in all digital platforms. I have singles there and I have albums there. And
Big songs, big
and
songs.
I have more music coming. This year, I'm long plan.
Yeah, drop and drop
and shit.
music video.
I've been looking for people to.
How?
You call her when
You believe. You believe. You just katata. How?
Yeah, so this year I'm planning, guys. Don't get to. And I did a house song with Joseph Dube.
Yeah.
Joseph! I saw him the other day.
Yeah.
Petso piano.
Dope.
Clapping.
Dope song that we did.
How?
Both
Seven.
bands.
How? Joseph.
Yeah.
And we're still playing of a case. Hey, load shedding. Cyril.
Yo, bruh. So
You missed out on Joseph sets because of Cyril.
Yes, we didn't
yeah,
listen
so
to
we're
it.
gonna shoot a music video for Makosa Zana.
With who?
Definitely.
Who? Who's gonna shoot that?
I hear directed by Nzu.
Who's gonna shoot that?
Dude, can I continue? Because the spirit that you have right now is not that of a presenter. You are pitching now.
Back to podcast.
Broadcast.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
So we're gonna be shooting music video Makosazana.
Interesting.
I'm gonna be releasing new music. I wanna work with so many people, guys. I wanna work with
I'm sure
Njogo
Joseph
Zonkize. Oh God, that girl can sing.
She's a gospel singer.
Yeah, but she doesn't do only gospel.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, her voice. I can listen to her sing all day.
Have you met her?
Yeah.
She married?
I don't
What's
know.
that got to do with?
I just want to know.
She's married, Doc.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking if she's married. Cause
I don't know.
You don't hang around married people only.
I hang around with people, whether you're married or not.
Yeah,
Oh.
so
I mean, she's hanging with us.
so they're saved or unsaved.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
I want to work with Zinhle Madela.
Zinhle's dope.
Siyamazi,
Siyamazi kuze.
Yeah.
Madela's finest.
I wanna a lot, guys. Sky, we need to do a song together. Yazi ukuthi hey.
Call her out. Call her out and
Call it out right now. Yeah,
Sky.
comb.
Sky yakhomba. Uthi ozokwenza sure ukuthi akakhululwe ingoma.
And all of these things are gonna happen, guys.
Yeah.
They will happen, I'm telling you.
I'm actually going to use this as a promo.
I also want
that's
to work with Symphony. She's a singer from Eswatini, the winner of the first Afro Music.
Sure, 2018.
2018. Symphony, I want to work with her. Oh,
Did you meet her?
So you're going to be like,
She's yes, we've met a couple of times. She's gorgeous. Have you
really?
seen her?
as in
No.
like physically.
Don't do that. I've got a girlfriend.
And she's a twin. So it's 2 times the gorgeousness.
I'm getting in the conversation. But she's a good singer.
Yes.
Okay,
She's a
that's
good
fine.
singer.
That's a no baby mama.
No, I was just complimenting.
Nonzwakazi Maphumulo, thank you so much for coming through and having a great time with us. We had a great chat with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. It was great. Great
Yes,
Did you have
chat.
fun? Did you have
Stu
fun?
said you're gonna
Yes.
be boring, and I said it.
He's lying.
Yeah, you have to invite me back.
Nimbal?
Yeah, because
It
there's other
depends, it
things
depends,
we
it
need to talk
depends,
about
it
as well.
depends.
On what?
On this music video.
Like who's on the shoot? Like?
Okay, you really want to shoot this
Who's
music
going
video?
show?
Okay, you're gonna shoot the music video. It's fine.
We had it here first and only here.
And
RadioDR. That's it. That's it. Deeply rooted the world. Bye.
to RadioDR.co.za.